In this session, I will explain how to view your page in different ways and how to export and how to share your page. First, see, we have View tab here. In this View tab, basically it will be in normal view, and the second view type is full view type. If you select the full view type, see, it will be like this without any tabs and all, and if you click on this, again you will get back. And then we have desktop, dock to desktop. Okay, if you click on this, it will be in dock mode. See, one side our OneNote application and another side is PowerPoint application is running. And if you want to get back, again click full page view. Okay, next we have page colors option. Some colors, dull dim colors given here, we can select any one of these and that will be applied to your page. And if you don't want any color, you can select no color. And if you want to rule lines, different kinds of rule lines given, you can select particular type, and suppose grid lines or rule lines, you can select. Suppose if you want, you can select rule lines, or if you want, you can select grid lines also, and if you don't want them, select none. And next option is, if you want to hide something, some page, then you can hide. Suppose I am under students and long term, or you select short term or long term, then I don't want this page. Then what you will do is hide page title. You select hide page title. See, the current page title, comma, date and time will be deleted. Do you want to remove the page title? If you want to remove, you can remove it. Yes, page title removed. Okay, but page is there as it is. Okay, I don't want the page title and date and time, that will be removed. If you want to get back, press Ctrl Z to get back the page title and date and time. And we have paper size here. At which size you want to print this particular page, print or view. Suppose paper size. By default it is in auto size mode, and margins also fixed here, and if you want, you can select a letter size, it will be in letter size, or in legal size or A4 size, and you can also select the margin. Suppose I don't want this much margin left side, so what I am going to do is I will reduce the left side margin to 10 mm size. See, reduced. So like that you can adjust, even you can change the orientation also. By default it will be in portrait mode, you can select landscape mode also. Okay, like that you can adjust paper sizes. Then next option is, you can zoom it, zoom out and zoom in. And if you want 100%, suppose zoom out, I want 100%, then you can get back that one. and you can also change page width, enhance the width, zoom the width of the page. And if you want new window for the same, then you can select new window option. So then you will be having two windows of same OneNote. See, this is one OneNote and that is one OneNote. And you can also arrange them using different arrangements. New window docked. Arrangements not available here, and here what I can do is I can dock it. One is in dock mode, one is in normal mode. Like that we can arrange. And new quick note. Quick note option also available. Here we can write quick note as a window. Okay, you can view in full page view. Quick notes is available. That is one separate page. And if you want to close, you can close it, and you can close this quick note also. Like that you can open new windows and you can pin it always on top. Keep this window on top always. So that means it will be in top mode, top to all windows. Okay. Like that we can view the page in different ways. After setup, finishing the setup of a page, you can share it to others. Share with people. It is giving like this. And type a name or email address to invite someone. Type others email IDs like this, and you can share this information to others. Okay. Finally, you click on share, or otherwise it is showing some shared with, see, owner. He is the owner and he can edit it, and like that I can share the information of a page, OneNote pages to others. And we can also share in meetings. If it is if a meeting is running, means we can share with meeting, it's asking. So if you click on that, currently if you are online, if you are in online meeting, any one online meeting, then it will share the information in online meeting. See, it is telling you are not currently joined to any online meeting that supports sharing notes. So the support meeting only it can share. Okay, like Teams, etc. we can share. And we have export option also. We can export this page contents. Suppose select format, it's asking OneNote session, and see, page, session or notebook. What you want to export? You want to export a page, or you want to export current session, and you want to export current notebook to the different formats. If you want to export to PDF, suppose generally we will use export to PDF, you can select PDF. Session also having PDF and DOC, document format also, DOCX format also, that means MS Word format. And OneNote .1 is the extension for OneNote file. So you can export to the 2010-2016 format of OneNote. Okay. So like this we can select sessions or pages, even pages also we can export to MS Word document or PDF or something. Suppose I am selecting entire notebook and I want to export to PDF. So finally click on export option. See, it is asking where you want to save. Suppose Edusoft for you Office is the file name, by default it has selected. If you want, you can change the name of the file. Suppose Edusoft for you underscore Office I am giving, and here also you can change the type. Okay, either you can change to MS Word document type or PDF. Okay, I am selecting PDF, then save it. So all the contents of the page will save into PDF format. You can open the content of the file in PDF format. See whether it is existing in PDF format or not. This is the file just we exported. Click on this file. We can view the information of the OneNote pages in PDF format. I am opening that one. The currently selected page, presently it is showing like that, daily works of non-teaching staff, where we are right now. One by 11. So that many number of pages it is having. Page by page we can view the information. So totally 11 pages came here. The total OneNote page contents became PDF file, and see the contents. Each and every page became another page in PDF document. Okay, like this we can export our OneNote content to PDF format. Okay, this is all about OneNote.